time to take a couple of audience
Yeah, of
questions?
course.
Our audience is very excited.
Of course.
So we have Gianna first. Gianna, where are you?
Hello.
Hi.
The blonde girl there.
So my question is, do you ever Google yourself?
Do I ever Google myself?
Oh, God, that's creepy.
You know, I haven't in a very long time. And I got to admit, I feel like I have people that do it for me. Professionally, that I don't need to really do it. I Googled, you know, other things like, when is daylight saving? March 11th. Right. You know, knowing stuff like that.
Useful things.
Useful things, yeah, education.
Judy. Where's Judy? Judy, cute jeans, Judy.
Between you and Sterling K, who can do most push-ups?
Oh, man.
Oh, the most push-ups.
I mean, Sterling is a specimen of a human being. He really is. And I've embraced playing a dad in the 80s that didn't really quite work out as much as he could because he had 3 kids.
This is your dream job, really.
Oh, it's the best. It's the best
dream
job ever. It's the best.
Everyone loves you.
Yeah.
And you don't have to worry about the guns.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. But I can hold my own. I can hold my own in push-ups.
Can I ask one more question? Can I have a hug?
Oh. All right, give him that. Down, Judy, down.
You may get into a brawl with our friend in the front row now. Don't take it to the streets. Communicate. All good.
Taryn, where are you? Taryn's gonna have our last question.
Hi, Milo.
Hi, Tim.
So my question is, what do you sleep in?
Oh. Sorry.
It's fine. Thank you very much, man. You know, I'm depending on the climate I'm in, sometimes you gotta wear more, sometimes you have to wear less.
Very artful answer. Nicely done. Nicely done. Thank you, Milo. Take time to eat your food.